Safety valve system. The Misgaran pressure cooker is engineered to cook food under high pressure, which not only reduces cooking time significantly, but also helps preserve the food's natural flavor, color, and nutrients. To ensure maximum user safety during high-pressure cooking, the appliance is equipped with a dual pressure release system, providing both primary control and emergency backup. 1. Primary pressure regulator. This is the main mechanism responsible for controlling and maintaining the ideal internal pressure throughout the cooking process. It ensures that the pressure remains within a safe and effective range, allowing food to cook evenly and efficiently. 2. Safety valve. The safety valve is a critical secondary safety feature. It acts as a fail-safe mechanism and is designed to automatically release excess steam if the internal pressure rises beyond the safe limit, typically due to blockage or malfunction of the primary regulator. This prevents pressure buildup that could pose a risk to users or damage the appliance. Maintenance recommendation. To keep the safety valve functioning reliably, it is essential to inspect and clean it regularly. After several uses, food particles or mineral deposits may accumulate and hinder its operation. It's better to wash the safety valve every 3 to 6 months. For washing the safety valve, we recommend the following steps. Dismantle the safety valve carefully according to the user manual. Rinse it thoroughly under running water. Ensure the valve is completely dry and properly reassembled before the next use. Regular maintenance not only extends the lifespan of your pressure cooker, but also ensures safe and efficient performance every time you cook.